Well, welcome back. We are here today in Stuart, Florida on a beautiful sunny day looking at a 43-foot Mainship 1999. Boat's name is Jamali. She's presently for sale. She is the 3 stateroom, 2 head layout with the galley up. Has the 3116 Caterpillar engines. Both engines have been rebuilt in her lifetime. This has a 2023 tender with a Suzuki 20 horsepower engine. The very popular boat, these 43 Mainships. This boat has been detailed previously, but she's a little bit dirty. I'm using a little bath. I just got here. 43 Mainships known for the port and starboard wing doors. There are 4 doors in total. There's up forward these, one off the Salon and one back here off the master. So let's hop on board, take a look. So the tender, as you can see, is an Inmar 20 horsepower Suzuki outboard, 4-stroke. Nice little tender. Since we're up here, we'll go up to the Flybridge. Plentiful seating up here on the 43 Mainship. This canvas top enclosure is brand new. Maybe a little bit over a month. Isinglass is brand new. It's Raymarine electronics, and he uses a tablet that he mounts onto this plastic over here with whatever program he uses. That's this indoor-outdoor flooring. Good visibility on the boat, bow and stern. This one has a bow thruster. You're pretty much right on top of the bow. Good visibility to the back, although with the tender on board, you can't see your swim platform. Down below, we have 4 steps. Bring it down to the trunk deck. Nice wide walk-arounds on both sides with tall security railing. 2 cleats on each side, plus the bow and stern. Have a little bit of chipping on the frame of the paint. Go up to the bow. He has 2 beanbag lounge chairs up here. This hatch was just recently replaced. Sunscreen is getting weathered. Decking's good. This got broken off and they're repairing that. Controls for your windlass. Looks overall in good shape. Maybe not the prettiest boat you've ever seen, but she's sound and ready to go today anywhere you want to go. Go inside, and I've left the doors open, so I don't know why on a hot day I would do that, but it is still cooler. As we walk in, we're at the lower helm station. The same Raymarine, bow thruster, autopilot. All your gauges are readable, all the toggle switches are readable. The woodwork's a little bit crackling. You have a forward window that opens. A galley to the port side. A helm seat should go here, which has been taken out. A table should go over there, which has been taken out, but the owners have both. Underneath the helm seat, there's a freezer. You can modify it and dial it into either be a freezer or fridge. They use it as a freezer because they have a fridge, and then they have this wine cooler. They replace the trash compactor, which they use it for drinks, soda pop or water, whatever. Nice U-shaped seating on the port side. The table would go here. They have this little coffee table. Flat screen TV. It's actually kind of cool in here. Windows on both sides. You have a couple chairs here in your cabinetry. Your electrical panel is up here. So back here, we'll work our way to the master, down 3 steps. I have what's either an oversized queen or an undersized king. I think it's in between. I don't think it's a queen. I don't think it's a king, which is makeable. You can get in from both sides, which is a big plus. You have your own air conditioning back here with a fan, TV. That's the door I was talking about. I don't think they've ever opened it. Master head with a shower, the seat. Cabinetry on the side, nightstands on both sides, blinds above the windows, nice overhead lighting, wood flooring cabinet right here. Old toaster oven, stovetop, drawers, cabinetry, more drawers, above head cabinetry. That little orange thing is an ice maker, which pumps out the ice. Engine room access is under these stairs, and both of those come up, so you have some space in there. Generators in this forward part. Going all the way forward, we have the V berth. Has its own air conditioning. Hanging locker on both sides. Drawers underneath. Forward of the V berth, you have a third stateroom, side-by-side twins, hanging locker. This one is the only carpeted room that there is in the boat. And on the opposite side, and the starboard side across from that, the second head with a shower and a seat, single sink. Get down here and try to take a peek inside if we can. A little garage area. Lights are on in here. I don't know if I turned them on. I did, but it's tough to see. Gotta pull that floor up and it's a lot better lighting, a lot more accessibility. That's about it. 43-foot Mainship, 3 stateroom, 2 head, galley up, 3116 Caterpillars. Since major overhaul, you're looking about 500 hours on one and about 300 on the other. She's ready to do the loop. It's One World Yachts. I'm out.